Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bit of a different video. I was originally going to be posting my people that inspire me type video, but it's taking me a little bit longer than expected to film, so I decided to film this video instead in the meantime, and then the other one will be going up earlier next week. But I wanted to do an unboxing because I've never done an unboxing on my channel before, and I feel like unboxings used to be very popular on YouTube, but then it kind of turned into only for really big designer pieces, but I don't really buy that many designer pieces or like ever, so I thought I would do one with a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a really long time and give you guys kind of like a first impression. So I got these shoes from B.A.I.T shoes and I am so excited. I've had my eye on them for so long. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. I got this yesterday and it's just been sitting downstairs and I haven't opened it yet because I've been waiting for this video. Okay, so that's open and then it comes with the shoe box inside. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this box. Look at how beautiful this box is. So this is what the shoe box looks like. It's really cute. It has that kind of vintage look to it, which I really like. It has a yellowy beige cover and then it has red and that same kind of beigey color on the sides. So I'm gonna open it up. It has a little dust bag like this. This is what these shoes look like. Oh my god, they're stunning. You guys know that I've been looking for some Oxford shoes that have a really skinny silhouette as opposed to like the really thick platforms. And these ones are saddle shoes and I'm so excited. Saddle shoes are really hard to find. I have one pair of saddle shoes that look like this. I got these from Payless like years ago when they were around. But these ones are stunning. They have a more really thin, feminine kind of look, which I really like. So I'm gonna try them on. I really hope that these fit because I kind of took a gamble on the size. So this is what they look like. They have a really nice like faux leather structure to them. They're actually very nice. I have another pair of Oxford shoes that I wear all the time and they're really flimsy. These ones are actually really nice and thick, so I really appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on because I'm really excited. Okay, I am actually obsessed. These are so cute. They actually fit really nicely. I ended up going for the 6.5. I'm typically a 7. I do sometimes size down to 6.5, so I kind of decided to go for it. I don't think I can fit thicker socks than this on it, which is kind of annoying, but either way, I really do like the really nice snug fit. They really mold really nicely to your feet, and also, I feel like I'm going to be able to break them in really nicely. They're a little bit stiff right now, but that's because they're new, and they're 100% vegan, which is amazing, as well as they're a sustainable brand, so they make their shoes in really small batches, which is great. So love supporting those types of businesses. So I'm gonna do a little bit of b-roll of me wearing them, but I am obsessed. I love how skinny and slim they look. So overall, I would say I'm very happy with this purchase. I know it's going to go well with so many of my things. I have so many long skirts like these ones that I sometimes don't really know what shoes to pair with them. So for day to day, these are going to be really great. If you are interested in something like this, but you want more cool tone, there was a gray version. So definitely check that out. I'm going to be linking some links down in the description box for you if you are interested. I do want to talk about the price really quickly before I finish off this video. These shoes ended up being on sale for $22, which overall is a really great price for shoes, I would think, especially some that are really high quality, and they also have a more vintage style to them. And I find that vintage style shoes tend to be a little bit more expensive just because they have more design to them as opposed to something that you would find like on Shein or like Forever 21 or something. But I do live in Canada, so everything is a little bit more expensive to ship here, and it's not really a reflection of like B.A.I.T shoes at all. It tends to be more expensive to ship here. So overall, in total, my shoes ended up coming to $56.43. But the only thing is, I should have paid more attention, but I didn't realize that I was being charged American price. So when I went onto my bank statement, I realized that I actually ended up paying like $75 for these shoes, because then it converted to Canadian prices. So that was more so like on me. I should have like actually realized that, which makes sense because it is an American website. So I should have made that connection. But either way, I love saddle shoes and they're really hard to find. So it's fine if I ended up paying a little bit more than I was expecting to, just because I do actually really love these shoes and I know I'm going to be getting tons of wear out of them. So I'm not going to drag that out. I'm not going to complain about it. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys are interested in these kind of videos and doing unboxings whenever I get a really fun pair of shoes or a really fun item or something. Don't forget to subscribe as well as turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!